Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Floor Effort Guide. I'm so excited to have you here. This channel is all about creativity, learning and growth. Here you will discover the art of English scrapbook designs, especially our teachers here in Thailand. This is for you guys. And also I will be sharing creative PowerPoint lessons and fun situational learning conversation that makes learning fun and practical. Are you ready for this, guys? Now, here is the interesting part. We also have bonuses into this channel. Aside from learning those scrapbooks and English lessons, there is a bonus for you. Are you interested to start your own YouTube channel, but you don't know how to go about it? Where to start? How to edit videos, make thumbnails, even upload videos using YouTube Studio, how to even create YouTube channel on YouTube using different apps like CapCut or VN app and all the likes. Are you just blank about all of this? Then this channel is for you. Please, it's time for you to join us into this journey by subscribing, turning on the notification bell so that you always be informed each time there is a new upload. My goal is to guide you step by step, whether you're looking for inspiration, new skills, or just a creative way to learn. You will get that all here. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join me on this journey. Let's go through. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you.